Hello everyone, I'm Kalpana from SNS College of Engineering from AIDS department. Today we are going to discuss about graph data structure, introduction part. So a graph data structure is a non-linear data structure like our tree data structure. It is a non-linear data structure. We have here nodes and edges. We call nodes and edges. So our graph data structure is a collection of nodes that have data and are connected to other nodes with the help of links or edges. Let's say real-time example, let's say Facebook or Instagram, everything. It is an example of graph data structure. There we have everything is considered as node, which includes the photos, users, album, pages. It has comments, story, everything uh, is there is we considered as nodes. And when you take Facebook, two persons are connected, right? So each person, we call that persons as node here, and the relationship between them we call it as edge. So every relationship is an edge from one node to another. So that is an example of graph data structure. So next is definition of graph. So it is a non-linear data structure consisting of nodes and edges. So nodes are nothing but these are all nodes, and edges are the links between the nodes. These lines we call it as edges. The nodes are sometimes also referred to as vertices, and edges are lines or arcs that connected two nodes in the graph. So the 0, 1, 3, 4, 2 are called nodes. This we call it as vertices. This we call it as vertices, and the lines between the nodes we call it as arcs or edges. So the graph is denoted by the capital G, which is equal to V comma E, set of V comma E. So V is nothing but the vertex, E is nothing but the edges. So vertices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and the edges are the links, that is 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 0, 4, 3, 2. So these are all the edges we can represent in a set. So next is vertex and edge of the graph. So here how many vertices we have? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices we have. So a set of 0, 1, 2, 3. And next is the edges. 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3 and 1 to 2, 0 to 2. So these are all the edges we have in this graph. So we can represent vertex and edge in this way. So next is basic terminologies of graph. So vertex, we mean each node of the graph is represented as a vertex. Okay. So this A is a vertex, E is vertex, D is vertex, F, G, C, D. These are all vertex of the graph. And next is edge. So this edge represents the path between the nodes A and F, A and E, A and B, B to C, C to D, F to E. So these are all called the edges. That is the link between the connection between the two nodes. Next is adjacency. So adjacency is called two nodes or vertices are adjacent. If they are connected to each other through an edge, we call it as adjacent node. So here A and F are adjacent because both are connected. A and E are connected. A and B are connected. So these are all adjacency. B and C are connected. So adjacency. C and D are connected. So there is an adjacency. Next is path. A path represents a sequence of edges between the two vertices of the two vertices. So here, for example, if I say A to D, A to D. So what is the path? A, B, C, D is the path. So likewise, if I say A to G, A, F, G is the path. Okay, so path is the sequence of links, sequence of edges between the nodes. We call it as path. Thank you.